It's Chase with Nitrous Express, and in today's video we're taking a look at the USB Bulkhead Socket, part number 17200, the coolest install accessory that you didn't know you needed until today. The USB Bulkhead Socket is the ultimate way to clean up wiring from any USB accessory, whether you're hooking up laptops to data loggers or something as simple as a phone charger. Female USB ports on each side of the socket make extending your USB cable easy, sleek, and sexy. The USB bulkhead installs super easily by drilling a hole and passing the USB bulkhead through from the back side of the mounting surface and tightening the nut on the front side, and installation is complete. Here are the specs of the USB Bulkhead Socket. The connectors are USB 2.0. Connector 1 is USB Type A female. Connector 2 is also USB Type A female. It's non-shielded, IP67 rated connector. For more information on the USB Bulkhead Socket, part number 17200, please visit nitrousexpress.com or call 1-888-GO-FAST-1. And as always, thank you for choosing Nitrous Express. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see more weekly videos.